I already got my winch bed in here for my Autocar truck. Something else I've just decided to work on. Get a little work done. I've already cut the headache rack off. And then I'm gonna cut this bed because I have to put 4 foot in it for it to fit the truck. So we get around here. And this line right here going across, I'm gonna, I think this may be where I cut the bed in half. But if not, it's definitely where I'm gonna start cutting the floor out because this section of the floor is so dented up, I'm not gonna reuse it. And so I'm gonna decide where to splice it at. It'll be somewhere between here and here, depending on cross members and stuff. But I want to keep these plates, although I'm not too happy about how they were welded on whenever the truck that I got this off of was built, which was I think a 1980 GMC truck. 420, no, sorry, that truck had a 366 with a 5 and a 2 axle. It was my grandpa's truck. This bed's been in my family since the 80s. So, reusing it, that's why I'm reusing it and not just building one from scratch. Even though I'm gonna change it up a whole lot, it's still, I don't know, it's retarded, I guess, to have sentimental value. But I do, so it's gonna go on my truck. All right. Peeling it back. Tell me that didn't have something heavy on it at one time. And if I could remember, more than likely, the truck front wheels were probably in the air, and the flatbed that was hooked to it, my dad was probably winching something up the tailboard, the rolling tailboard of the trailer that was 3 times too heavy and had the truck pinched against the nose of the trailer like that and bent it down. More than likely that's what happened.